Good morning. For those of you who don't know, my name is Maya Karen. I run a fashion blog called Classically Kept. It does feature luxury, contemporary, and how to style, and now natural hair care and hair care topics. If you are into any of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click the notification bell. That way you will never miss a video. I need to get back on track. Let's discuss. July 29th, I washed my hair and then I applied Chebe grease because I knew this up and coming week I had content to submit. Friday, August the 2nd, I was supposed to go live on Instagram for the second application of Chebe. I had a family emergency, so I canceled that session. 5 days from that was July 6th. I had family vacationing in Myrtle Beach. They requested to stay with us during the storm, and then of course, Aunt Flo came. This is what my hair looks like. I have not touched it since the 29th of August. It has been wrapped up. As I have said before, we all fall off the bandwagon. Just make sure you get back on and don't make it a habit to skip hair care days. So let's get to it. Okay, so let's start in the back. I will take out each twist to moisturize my hair and apply the Chebe grease. I'm not applying the Chebe powder because Monday is wash day and that would be a waste of product. But my hair does need some TLC, and y'all know I find doing my hair to be very therapeutic. First, I spritz my hair with warm water, open the hair cuticle, and work the water through my strands. I make sure all of my hair is damp, not saturated but damp, and I work out any tangles as well. Because I did stretch my hair, there should be very few tangles, but some can still occur. Because my hair is not straight, it tends to draw back up and has been left alone for several days, meaning tangles could have formed. Also, you will notice that I did not start looking for tangles until I spritzed my hair with water. Wetting the hair will make it more malleable and easier to work with when looking for tangles. When detangling natural hair, you will need some type of slip. Some choose to dry detangle. I find the detangling process easier when my hair has slip, especially since I have stopped using detangling tools. Now I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture Amla leave-in. I do not need a lot, and I work that through my strands as well. This leave-in also gives a slip. Notice I am smoothing and working through my hair in a downward motion. This also helps combat tangles. Now I'm going to apply the Chebe grease from Dara Bodyworks, which is formerly Dara Naturals. Use my code MAYA10 for 10% off your purchase. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the Chebe grease that I did with the leave-in. I apply to my hair and work it through my strands. Now, the two main questions I get asked about the grease. What does it smell like, and can I put it on my scalp? The grease from this company smells like lemongrass. I cannot speak on any other company. You may put the grease on your scalp at your own risk. If there is any Chebe in a product that I am using, I will not be putting it on my scalp. Chebe is not a growth aid. It aids in length retention. During a live, I had two people in the community state that they applied it to their scalp and they regretted it, which leads me to my next point. Chebe does not go on your scalp. Why? It can irritate your scalp and possibly clog your pores. Remember, on this journey, we are looking for healthy hair, and we cannot have that if our pores are clogged. If you choose to use the powder, which is even stronger, please do not apply it to your scalp. Even more so, the women of Chad do not apply their Chebe powder or their Chebe mixture to their own scalp. Hair is detangled and moisturized. Now it's time to twist. I section my hair evenly and begin to twist my hair all the way down. When I get to my ends, I seal with a little bit more Chebe grease and then I twist around my finger. That's it. I will do this for the rest of my head. The back is done. I will show you from the front as well. And for my visual learners or my spectators, I will just label so you can watch. I am done. My hair is back. As I said in the beginning, life happens. Many things happened this past week, and then when things calmed down, I chose to spend time with family that I otherwise only see once a year, which brought me so much joy. Even though I had not touched my hair for several days, I still tried to combat dryness and frizziness with head wraps. It worked some, but eventually I had to tend to my hair again. But because I am using the Chebe products, because I am deep conditioning my hair, because I'm using a leave-in, and because my hair was wrapped up, and I was also sleeping with a silky scarf, my hair was fine. The hair care follow-up is important, but so are the things you do in everyday life, and so is the preparation. That aside, putting on my famous headband, and then I will do some work while my hair dries. Put any questions you have in the comments and I will be sure to answer. I just want to remind you, here on YouTube, I upload videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And of course, right here or right here, I'll put my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, you guys. Bye.